Task number 3, packet dissection. Packet dissection is also known as protocol dissection, which investigates packet details by decoding available protocols and fields. Wireshark supports a long list of protocols for dissection, and you can also write your dissection scripts. You can find more details in the description. Yeah, so basically jumps on GitHub for Wireshark. And it will tell us in the README for the dissector. Basically the official documentation for Wireshark, right? Because it's open source. You can read more about dissection in over here in boundary Wireshark. Note, this section covers how Wireshark uses OSI layers to break down packets and how to use these layers for analysis. It is expected that you already have background knowledge of the OSI model and how it works. Yes, we have it because we saw our previous videos on networking. If not, just go back and watch the videos and you will have the knowledge for the OSI model or the TCP/IP model. Packet details. You can click on a packet in a packet list pane to open its details. Double click will open details in a new window. Packets consist of 5 to 7 layers based on the OSI model. We will go over all of them in an HTTP packet from a sample capture. The picture below shows viewing packet number 27. Yeah, so basically just clicking on packet 27 in this picture that we have from TryHackMe, it will automatically go down and open 2 more specific to packet 27. Yeah, so that's basically what is displayed in this picture. Each time you click a detail, it will highlight corresponding part of the packet by its pane, which is to the right of this packet detailed pane. Let's have a closer view of the details pane. Yeah, so basically here we see a lot of different information. We can see 7 distinct layers to the packet: frame, packet, source MAC, source IP, protocol, protocol errors, application protocol, and application data. Yeah, basically you can see all these 7 layers. Below we'll go more into details. Frame number 1, layer 1. This will show you what frame or packet you are looking at, and details specific to the physical layer of the OSI model. So the bits, right? Let's open our split view window and open our Wireshark session. 27th packet. If we go over here and double click it, it will expand. Now here you can see a lot of information. This is the frame, layer 1. This is layer 1, the physical layer of the OSI model. OSI model is made up of 7 layers, but if you work with the TCP/IP layer, it is still layer 1. TCP/IP, it has different models, like with 4 layers or with 5 layers on the internet or in different books. But staying with the OSI model, we have 7 layers, and this is the first layer, layer 1, physical layer. Source MAC address, layer number 2. We already see it. This will show you the source and destination MAC addresses for the data link layer of the OSI model. Data link layer, it's 1 above physical layer. Ethernet. This is displayed in destination source and end type. In the second layer of Wireshark. Then we have the third layer, source IP. This will show you the source and the destination IP where from the network layer. This is the third layer. The fourth layer is the... This will show you details of the protocols used in UDP TCP transport layer. So transmission control protocol, this will tell you all about the transport layer related information. Layer number 5, also in layer 4 protocol layer, discontinuation of the fourth layer shows specific segments from TCP that needed to be reassembled. Segments on TCP and datagrams on UDP, as we remember. Presentation layer, layer number 5. Here we see application layer. Interesting that they say about the OSI, because the application layer is layer number 7 in the OSI. This will show details specific to the protocol used, such as HTTP, FTP, and SMB from the application layer of the OSI model. Yep, this is the 5th layer. The 6th layer, application data. This extension of the 5th layer can show the application specific data. Here we can also see data that we can check out from the browsers or from the proxies. So the 6th layer in OSI model is the session, and then the 7th one is the application layer. Answer the questions below. Use the exercise PCAP file to answer the questions. View packet number 38. Which markup language is used under the HTTP protocol? Extensible markup language. We can actually see it right over here. Extensible markup language. What is the arrival date of the packet? Answer format: month, date, day, and then year. Frame, let me see over here. Arrival, month, 03, and then 2020. Actually, it's 2004. Actually, 05. Okay. What is the TTL value? Time to leave. Oh, right over here. Time to leave in IP protocol v4. In the 3rd layer, IP time to leave 47. What is the TCP payload size? We go here. TCP payload 424 bytes. What is the ETAG value? In hypertext transfer protocol, value ETAG here. This is the value that we are looking for. Actually, E35 4B00. Cool.